IONQ stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief, short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Especially since I'm not looking at IONQ, I'm looking to take it further up. It's not me saying this in a way that I'm gonna randomly start buying everywhere, no. But I'm just saying this because, you know, having done 44,000 videos, I've seen what's working for me and what's not, and many of that I have it all documented. So with Neo Incorporated, I have it this at the bottom for me here. Only right thing, at least in my eyes, is to wait for a proper demand confirmation in order for me to take things further up. And you can see pre-market seems like it's at 39 bucks as well. So I'm not in any sort of rush, you know. I can wait for sure. Like, there's really nothing for me to rush for, and you should not rush too, you know, because rush is imaginary, and the more rush you have, the more you're going to lose, you know. Guess how I figured this out? Well, maybe after 5 years of doing this. So only if the price pulls down, gives me a confirmation, I'm looking to take it further up. This is a great sign because we already shifted higher. So I'll keep you updated. If you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.